If you're planning to come to New York this year, this is the video for you. I'm going to give you 10 ways to sound like a New York native during your stay here. Now, you don't have to memorize all of these. Just use like 1 or 2 and you'll be sounding like a native in no time. So number 1, YURRRR. You have to say YURRRR. YURRRR is just, you know, yo, what's up, right? YURRRR. You see someone that's your friend walking down the street, you say YURRRR. Like, it's just like, what's up? What's up? Now, all of these are very informal, so just, you know, don't do this in like a business meeting. Don't be like, YURRRR. I don't know why you're coming to New York, but if it's for a business meeting, don't go YURRRR. Don't do that. If you're planning on visiting in the winter, a word you're going to hear a lot, or a phrase you will hear a lot, is it's brick. It's brick. Like a literal brick. And we say that when it's freezing, when it is cold, sub-zero, because New York winters suck. They are depressing and cold. So don't come during the winter. But if you do, make sure you say, it's brick. It's brick. You'll sound supernatural. Everyone says it. Say, it's brick instead of, it's cold. It's brick. It's brick out here. You have to use mad. M-A-D, mad. Not angry, but this mad means very. So like, anytime you would use very in English, use mad. Like, I'm mad bored. I'm mad good at making these videos. That girl is mad hot. Like, just use it like very. Mad. Mad. And we use, just like put it in front of everything. So you gotta say gotta. Gotta. Do not say got to. Say gotta. Gotta. Also, don't say want to or going to. Say wanna and gonna. It's way easier to say and it's supernatural. So gonna, wanna, and gotta. It's not exactly a New York thing to do that. It's kind of like everyone in America does it because it's easier than saying got to, going to. But I wanted to say it because it helps you sound more natural. Next one is nah what I mean. Like, nah what I mean. You know what I mean? Like, you know, do you know what I mean? But it's like, nah what I mean. Know what I mean? Like, know what I mean? Know what I mean? Instead of saying, do you know what I mean? You say, know what I mean? Know what I mean, man? Know what I mean? Instead of saying, do you understand me? Say, you feel me? Always. You feel me, bro? You feel me? You feel me? I mean, it could literally just be anything. You just say, you feel me, right? Your friend is like, man, women suck. And then you're like, and then he's like, you feel me? And you're like, nah, I'm a feminist. And then he's like, bro. Anyway, but like, yeah, basically it's like, you feel me? You know, you get me? You get what I'm saying? You feel me? Always use that. Next one is say that. Say that. And it's basically just like you agree with the person. So, hey, I want to go and see that new movie. Or do you want to go? You can just say that. Let's go. Say that. You could say like, hey, I need you to get me some eggs from the grocery and then we'll hang out. Then you just say, all right, say that. Say that. It's basically just like, yep, okay. Say that. Like, I agree. Totally, 100% say that. Bet. Now, bet is so... It's like used so much, so you need to use this. And it's just okay. Bet means okay. Wherever you use okay in English, just put bet. Bet. Yo, like the tickets, mad high for this Travis Scott concert. Bet. We still gonna get them. Like, you see, it's just like, okay, we're still gonna get them. Bet. Like, we're gonna fight later. Bet. Like, okay, we're gonna fight later. Okay, bet. A lot of times you'll hear that, okay, bet. Almost like, okay, that's a deal, or okay, that's going to happen. Basically, bet can mean okay, or yeah, that's going to happen. So the last one, oh shoot. The last one I got for you guys is facts. Like facts. F-A-C-T-S. What? F-A-C-T-S. Yeah, facts. Facts. Basically, it just means like, yeah, that's true. Facts means, yeah, that's true. Or, yeah, like, you just said the truth. Right? So, you know, 2020 was the worst year, man. Facts, bro. Facts. That's facts. Like, that's true. Facts. You'll hear this a lot. Like, a lot. So definitely use that. Like, just say facts instead of yeah. Like, you can use it like a yeah. Like, yeah. No, it's facts. Facts, bro. You can add fact. You can say facts. That's facts, my guy. My guy. Or you can say that's facts, bro. If you're a girl, you can just say facts. Facts. Unless you're comfortable with saying bro. But usually bro is said to guy and guy. But sometimes girls say it to guys, or girls say it to each other. But anyway, facts. Facts. So remember, like I said, just memorize 2 to 3 of these. Use them in your daily speech. And then when you come here, when you are over here in New York, whether it be the city or Long Island, and you say these things, people will be like, whoa, like, he knows that? Oh my gosh, like, you're one of us, you know? Like, trust me, just use some of these, all of these, whatever. You will sound supernatural, I promise you. You're gonna wanna use these. And please, if you're gonna visit anytime this year, especially in the summer, which is June, July, August for us, like, that's my summer vacation. Please visit me. Please tell me that you're coming. I'm so bored. I want to make new friends from other countries. So let me know. And whatever time you're watching this video, I'm Jai from NY, and bye.